we've been waiting for the bail resolution ever since last week. So we are looking forward to it as much as everyone is hoping that it be released soon, because as mentioned a while ago, this has been pending for far too long. The injustice here has been so grave. There's so much wasted time and resources for something that has been the only thing that can be described here is the persecution of human rights defender. So hopefully the bail petition will be ruled on Senator Leila De Lima's favor and as soon as possible.
Okay. What was the mood in the court today, and how confident are you that the bail petition will be granted? This has been a long time coming, and you've been waiting for this. How was it like?
If the question is how confident we are, well, right from the very start, when you know that the truth is on your side, then right from the very start, Senator Leila De Lima wanted to face these charges, these invented accusations, these fabrications, this frame up. Right from the very start, she wanted to face everyone and talk about her, or face everyone because she's innocent. So hopefully, we are hoping rather that everything will go through very smoothly. Finally, after 6 years of persecution wherein the awesome powers of the state has been weaponized by the Duterte administration, hopefully there's going to be a change this time around.
All right, Attorney Dino, let me just ask. The prosecution actually offered up 20 more witnesses, 17 of whom have already testified before. Now, your camp has gone on record to say that you are considering what to do, whether to take their testimonies and adapt it, in layman's terms, to this current case. Are you going to do that?
Oh, well, it is saddening. It's very saddening that the prosecution is recycling witnesses. Of course, we leave it up to the discretion of the court on how exactly we would appreciate this. But a lot of the witnesses have previously testified. And supposedly what's different is the timeline of events. Now, if they're recycling the same witnesses, what exactly is the difference of this particular case? So all those 17 witnesses will see whether we can just stipulate as to exactly what they're going to testify on, especially if it's going to be the same. Hopefully, no one will allow themselves to be used by these delaying tactics of the prosecution. But what we can only see as delaying tactics of the prosecution. In fact, we're saddened that it is very basic in criminal law that once an accused has been declared as innocent, the prosecution should rest its case because of the constitutional prescription against double jeopardy. But we didn't see that coming in criminal case 165, where Senator Leila De Lima was just recently acquitted, so to speak, and the prosecution, in fact, still filed a motion for reconsideration, even though it goes against the very fundamental right as guaranteed by our Constitution, that there shouldn't be any double jeopardy. If you would recall, no less than Secretary Remulla stated on May 12, if I'm not mistaken, that, quote unquote, the rule of law has prevailed. Things are working in our country. An acquittal is an acquittal. That is good. It means that democracy is working. And then a week after, or around 2 weeks after, the panel of prosecutors will file a motion for reconsideration. So what is it really? Is the rule of law prevailing, as the Justice Secretary is saying, or they think that it was erroneous, as the prosecutors are saying in their motion for reconsideration? Where are the prosecutors getting their orders from?